In this video, we are going to talk about how to have a winning mentality in Forex trading. Why do we need to maintain a winning mentality in Forex trading? It's because trading is not easy. If you have done this for maybe 6 months already, you probably already know that trading is not usually like what people portray. It's not easy. Physically, mentally, financially, it's not easy. But to succeed in this game, you need what? To be mentally fit. You need to have a winning mentality. You need to believe in yourself. That's how you are actually going to succeed in this game. So, what are we talking about having a winning mentality? By the way, if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss future videos. Like this video. That's the only thing that I ever ask you to do. Otherwise, I don't sell you anything. Everything that we do on this channel is for free. Everything that we provide on this channel is for free. So the least that you can do for me is to just like the video. If you are searching for Forex robots, systems, books, and stuff like that, there are links in the description box below. Visit those links. Everything there is for free for you to download. Everything we do on this channel is for free. Many people also ask me about the broker that I use. See the link in the description box below. So, a winning mentality. Where do you start? Where do you start about having a winning mentality in your trading? First of all, you need to review your losses. It's a major hurdle for many traders. Review your losses. Review your losses. Understand what went wrong. Most traders actually have this thing about complaining about their losses. They can complain about this, they can complain about that, but it really does not do them any good. When you take losses, sit back and really do an honest review. Were you gambling? Did you not plan the trade correctly? What did you do that made it lose? You need to review your losses. They will teach you a whole lot of things about trading. Don't just complain or look down yourself, beat yourself up, and it doesn't help you. It doesn't help you to beat yourself up and maybe look for scapegoats and stuff like that. It doesn't help you improve your trading. You need to review your losses honestly, soberly, and from there you can see where you got it wrong and how to move forward. To maintain a winning mentality in trading, you also need to learn to take accountability. Be accountable to yourself. Learn to account to yourself. You are trading. You no longer have a boss. For many people, the accountability then goes out the window. No more accountability because what? It's just them and their laptop or their phone in their room or a separate office or wherever they are trading. They become so unaccountable. And what usually happens is when things don't go their way, they start looking for somebody to blame. They start blaming the system, the Forex robot, they blame their mentor, they blame the markets, They blame their broker for apparently manipulating the charts. They are always looking for somebody to blame except themselves. Having a winning mentality is the ability to be able to take accountability. If things don't go your way, be accountable. What did you do wrong? Did you become greedy? Did you lose track of your plan, your trading plan? What do you need to do better next time? Otherwise, you continue just feeding money into the market and never making anything back. You need to have what? Accountability to yourself, not to anybody. Develop accountability to yourself, not to anybody. Account to yourself. Having a winning mentality means always having the focus to always want to improve yourself. Don't become complacent in the markets. Many people just become complacent in the market. That's why they really don't go that far. In the market, we say the market is dynamic, it's ever changing. So, what you need to always have is this flexibility to be able to adapt to changing market conditions, to be able to adapt new marketing information, to able to adapt to new strategies and concepts.